All right, you guys, what's going on today? So today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about setting up your KRK Rokit studio monitors with a UAD interface. Now, if you guys don't know about KRK, you don't know the history and you're interested, here's a little background. KRK began manufacturing their studio monitors back in about 2003. Those were the Generation 1 KRKs. We are currently in the year 2020 and you are looking at the KRK G4 8s. The G4, of course, stands for Generation 4, and the 8 stands for 8-inch low-frequency drivers, which you can see right here. They are a subsidiary of the Gibson company, and they're really well known for making, low-priced professional studio monitors, perfect for those who are on a budget, and also great for mid-range and professional producers and mix engineers as well. Now, when you get a set of KRK systems, studio monitors, you're probably going to want to get an interface, especially if you are in the mixing, producing, or mastering world. If you're doing, more of like active listening, gaming, you're using it for a home theater, you may not need an interface, but it's just better to have one, in my opinion. It gives you a bit more control over your sound. For me, I chose the Apollo Twin from UAD, Universal Audio. Now, Universal Audio has been around for quite some time. They're really well known for making high-end gear, outboard gear, interfaces, outboard compressors, and things like that. They also have a really solid range of plugins, and they're just a wonderful company overall. Now, the cool thing about the Apollo, the UAD Apollo Twin versus maybe a cheaper interface such as the M-Audio or Focusrite Scarlett's, is that you have a lot more connections. Although this can make things a bit more confusing for people who are, maybe new to the game or don't really know how to connect their interfaces yet. So I'll take you around back right here really quick so you can kind of get an idea of what's going on. So as you can see, I have a lot of stuff plugged in here. These are my mic in cables, so those are going in. You don't need to worry about those. What you do need to worry about is these two right here. As you can see, it says monitor left and monitor right on the back. And this is going to be on all UAD interfaces. Apollo Twin, the Apollo 8 interfaces. They're all the same. You'll find these on all of them. And it just simply says monitor left and monitor right. As you'll notice, these are only 1/4-inch line-in male connectors. So you are going to have to get your 1/4-inch TRS cable to plug into these. If you guys don't know what a TRS cable looks like, it's this. TRS stands for tip ring sleeve, tip ring sleeve. These are 1/4 inches, otherwise known as instrument cables. Just make sure that they are TRS because that means they are balanced and you'll just get much better sound quality overall. Because these are labeled on the back, both monitor L and monitor R, of course that means monitor left monitor and monitor R is right monitor. So you'll go a 1/4 inch or instrument cable out of both of each and then into the back here so you can get a better view. I have them running to XLR cables. Now you can have them running to another TRS male input and plug that in, but this also takes XLR, and for me, I don't know, I just personally like XLR better. I think it's just, I don't know, just more of a professional sort of setup to me. But yeah, really simple. TRS to XLR, and then you're good to go. Just make sure that you have the firmware downloaded on your computer, and you'll be able to use your Apollo with your Rokit monitors. That's pretty much it, guys. If you guys have any questions or any insights about how you like to hook up your KRK system studio monitors to your UAD interface, please feel free to let me know in the comments. All right, take it easy.